If you're getting a GOG HTTP Error 403, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get back to downloading, logging in, and using GOG without the error getting in your way. This is one of those issues that can be frustrating because it usually looks like a server problem, but in many cases, it's caused by something on your device, browser, or network. So we're going to start with the most important fix first, and then move through the other steps until the error is gone. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's get into it. The first thing you should do is disable any VPN or proxy you're using. This is the most important step, because a VPN or proxy can trigger access blocks and cause GOG to return a 403 error. If you have a VPN app running, turn it off completely, not just paused in the background. Then check your browser or system network settings and make sure proxy settings are disabled as well. A lot of people skip this step, but it's one of the most common reasons the error appears. Once both VPN and proxy are off, try loading GOG again and see if the problem is gone. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to the Privacy or History section, and clear cached files and cookies for the site. Old or corrupted browser data can sometimes cause login issues, access errors, or blocked pages. After clearing everything, close the browser completely and reopen it fresh. Then go back to GOG and try again. This simple reset often fixes the issue faster than people expect. If that doesn't work, try a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch over to Edge. If you're using Edge, try Firefox. Sometimes the problem is tied to one browser's stored session data, extensions, or security settings, and using another browser helps you get around it immediately. When you test another browser, don't forget to log in again and check whether the error still appears. If GOG opens normally in another browser, then you know the issue is probably browser-related rather than account-related. Now let's move on to your network connection. Another very effective fix is restarting your router, because this can help change your IP address. Turn your router off completely and leave it powered down for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, turn it back on and wait for the connection to fully return. In many cases, this gives you a new IP address, and if your previous one was being limited or flagged, the new one may let GOG work properly again. Once the internet is back, open your browser and test the site again. If the problem still continues, log out of your GOG account and then log back in. To do this, click the Settings gear icon if you see it, then click Settings, then Manage, then go to Login and Security, and choose Log Out All. This helps refresh your session and clear any account-level sign-in problems that could be contributing to the 403 error. After logging out, sign back in carefully and then try GOG again. A fresh login can often resolve access issues caused by expired sessions or stuck authentication. And if you still can't get in, try a different network entirely. For example, switch to a mobile hotspot or connect through another Wi-Fi network if one is available. This is a great test because it tells you whether the issue is tied to your current network or internet provider. If GOG works on another network, then the problem is likely related to your home connection, router, or IP address. If it still doesn't work, then the issue may be more account-specific or temporary on GOG's side. So to recap, the best order is, first disable VPN and proxy, then clear browser cache and cookies, then try another browser, restart your router to change your IP, log out and log back in, and finally test a different network. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the GOG HTTP Error 403 without needing anything advanced. If you want, you can go through them one by one and test after each step, so you know exactly which fix worked. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.